Alright, today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite and easiest recipes to make for breakfast. Like this breakfast is so simple, like anyone can do it. The only reason I'm like recording this is because, well, I just want to show it on the internet. So you're gonna need some bread. You can use as many pieces as you want. You can even make it baked a bit, like toast. You can use also toast bread, also burnt, doesn't matter. I like the bread fresh, so yeah, because it's soft and it's really tasty that way. Also, what you're gonna need is some butter or margarine. I have margarine right here, but butter is way better and more tastier. And honey. This is like melted honey, as you can see. And it's also natural because, well, it's not gonna stick. It's not gonna become like a rock. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to film this like one-handed if I can. So what you wanna do is you wanna take some butter. You wanna take the butter or margarine first, and you wanna spread it on the bread. I'm not sure if I can do this one-handed. Well, you wanna spread the margarine like this all over the bread, and the next thing is do the same with the honey. And you also wanna spread the honey like this. As you can see, this is honey, on, by the way. And you can just start eating it right away. This is like a simple recipe that I used to do all the time when I was a kid, and I decided to film it when I'm an adult. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.